Can you repeat after me, please?
Okay.
Okay. Мы, ждем зимы. Mhm. Let's try going faster, okay? Мы. No, мы. Okay, when we're saying our tongue goes back and our mouth opens a bit wider. Great. Мы ждем зимы. Great. So let's remember the difference between E and U. Okay? When we say it's like E. Your tongue is supposed to touch the back of your teeth. Okay? Мы. And when we are saying our tongue goes back and the mouth stays a bit wider, okay? And let's try to say Great. Let's repeat it once again. Мы. Ждем зимы. Ждем это wait. Wait. Зимы winter. So it translates to we are waiting for winter. Ждем зимы. Wait for winter. Understood?
Да.
Yep. Let's go to the next one. Гу. Бегу. 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 Let's try. Great. The gu is translated to run.
Okay.
So let's try again a bit faster. And we are finally able to see the screen. Yeah?
Yes.
Let's win. Победа. Повторите за мной. Победа. Победа. Победа – это victory.
Победа – это victory.
Yep. Let's repeat it for the last time. Гу. Полугу. Бегу. Бегу. Next one. see the difference between the soft L and the hard L. So when we're saying volk, the L is supposed to sound hard, and when we're saying like L, it's a soft L. So when we're saying the hard L, our tongue stays at the rooftop of our mouth and is touching our teeth. Let's say it. L, L, L. Touch your teeth. Please put your tongue closer to your teeth. A bit closer, okay? Okay, a bit better. Let's do it again. Volk, volk, volk. That's too soft. Let's try another example. Say look, look. Can you feel your tongue in your mouth? Look, look. Where's your tongue when you say that? It's it's deeper in your mouth, right?
Yes.
Your tongue goes a bit back. You can feel it. Look, look. And and when you're saying look, look, you know what the difference is? Your tongue is supposed to touch your teeth, the back of your teeth. Look, look, and it kind of springs back. Look, look. It's supposed to just brush the back of your teeth. Let's try it. Look, look, look. Now, imagine that you're brushing your teeth, the back of your teeth, with your tongue, like this. Try it. So press the tip of your tongue to the back of your teeth and try saying look. Oh, oh, oh. So your tongue is pressed hard to the back of your teeth and you're saying oh. Okay, better. Now try saying look, 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 look. And now walk. Okay, that's better. It still needs a little bit of work, but we'll get better at it as we practice, right? Look. Okay, to the next one. As, us, is. Swim, yes, please. Okay, great. As, us, is. Swim, yes, please. Uh, yes means it. Uh, sun eats rice. Okay. The next, ры, во дворе комары. Kamar is a mosquito. And the dwarf is the yard. So mosquitoes are in the yard. Yeah. Also, let's remember, ri, i, Usually
Re.
you need to understand the difference between E and U. So repeat E again.
E.
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 You can feel your jaw go a bit forward. Yeah.
E.
And when we say E,
E.
I just smile. Yep. Yeah. To the next one. Now we're going to practice dialogues. We need two people. Who wants to practice? Please raise your hand if you want to participate. Okay, so choose two people who are going to go first.
Shall we start?
Okay, you look through the text, right? Now me and Anna are going to role play and show it to you. Okay?
Okay.
Привет, Антон. Как дела? Привет. Все хорошо, спасибо. А у тебя? Тоже хорошо. Кто это? Это Анна и сын. А это кот. А где дом? Дом там, а вот там Ира. Кто это? Это подруга. Okay, now we need to role play.
Okay.
Previous
So the first two people.
Should I start first? Should I start?
Yeah, please start.
Привет, Антон, как дела?
Привет. Все хорошо. Спасибо. А у тебя?
Тоже хорошо.
Кто это?
Это Анна и сын.
А это?
Это кот.
А где дом?
Дом там, а вот там и Ира.
Кто это?
Это
подруга.
Это подруга.
Okay, great. So we need the next pair to role play, please. The next two people who want to participate.
Привет, Антон. Как дела?
Вас хорошо, спасибо.
You first.
А у тебя?
А у тебя?
Тоже хорошо. Кто Антон? Кто
Это
это?
это Анна и сын.
А это?
Это кот.
А где дом?
Дом там, а вот там Ира.
Кто это?
Это подруга.
Great job, great job.
Thank you.
Other one first.
Привет, Антон. Как дела? Привет, я хорошо. Спасибо. Привет. Тоже хорошо. Тоже хорошо. Кто это? Это Анна. Анна сын. Сын. А это? Это кот. А где дом? Дом. А вот там. Кто это? Кто это? Это подруга.
Great. Anybody else wants to role play? No? Okay, can we go to the next topic? Yep. So let's discuss the nouns gender. As we already know, Russian nouns have gender. Like we have masculine nouns, feminine nouns, and neutral nouns. Let's remember, how do we determine what gender the noun is? Masculine nouns, например, он, сын, парк, стол, друг, брат, папа, Роман, Антон, they usually end with a consonant, and sometimes и краткое or мягкий знак. Remember, папа, дедушка, мужчина заканчиваются and with vowels, but they're masculine. Papa, it ends with a, but it's still a masculine noun. And feminine nouns, например, она, рыба, мама, открытка, подруга, лампа, полка, гранат, Anna, they end with a or ya or мягкий знак. And neutral nouns, оно, окно, молоко, облако, болото, they end with o or ye, и. Okay?
Okay.
Do you remember this topic? So let's test our knowledge a little bit. I will say a word and you will say what gender it is, okay?
Okay.
Park.
Masculine.
Yep. Kamar.
Masculine.
Yep. Волк.
Masculine.
Рыба.
Feminine.
Yep. Молоко.
Neutral.
Yep. Антон.
Masculine.
Дело.
What?
Дело.
Neutral.
Yep. Дело переводится как бизнес. И как дела мы тоже используем. We also use дело. You understand? Дело как дела. Дело is business.
Yes.
And как дела translates to how's your business, basically. Okay, let's move on. And now we are going to learn how we can make those nouns plural. In English, we create plural by simplying the letter C. Okay, you know S, okay, S. In Russian, things are not so simple. In Russian, we use letters E, U, A, Ya to create plural nouns. Okay. Examples. Repeat after me. Урок.
Урок.
The plural noun. Уроки.
Уроки.
Understand?
Yes.
Okay. question. Hot,
Pot.
kati,
Kati.
yeah, kati.
Kati.
One foot to cut. Okay. Akna,
Akno.
okna,
Okna.
okna,
Okna.
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 And
Druk. Druzia.
What?
Druzia.
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 Yeah. The next. Okay, masculine gender of a noun in the plural world. In the plural nouns. Okay? If it ends with a consonant, use letter U to create plural. Stole, stole. Repeat after me.
Stole. Stolen.
Stole. Sir, sir,
Sir. Siri.
sir. Coat,
Siri.
copy.
Kot. Kati.
Dupe, dupe.
Du. Dubi.
So do you notice how the stressed letter changes when we create a plural noun? So for example, stole, the stress is on the letter O. But when we say stole, stress is on the letter U. Do you notice? Stole, stole.
Stoli.
Yep, so the stress is moving to the ending letter. Next, if it ends with ka, g, sha, zhe, sha, cha, ha, we use letter E.
Okay.
Bank,
Bank.
banki.
Banki.
Parki.
Parki.
Zvuk,
Zvuk.
zvuki,
Zuki.
zvuki. Special
Zuki.
cases that you need to memorize. Let's look closer. Special cases that you need to memorize. Город,
Город. Города.
города,
Города.
города,
Города.
дом,
Дом.
дома,
Дома.
остров,
Остров.
острова,
Острова.
острова, брат,
Остров. Брат.
братья.
Братья.
So here we can see that the stress doesn't change. Город, города. It stays, right?
Yes.
And although it ends with a consonant, we don't use letter E to create plural. We use A or Ya. But, let's test our knowledge. Practice test. Choose the correct letter. Это дом, не это дом. Это,
Дома.
окей, это дома. Нет. Тут,
Туды.
это,
Столи.
окей. Next. To determine gender of noun in the plural. If it ends with letter A, use letter E to create a plural. Lampa, lampu. lampu.
Lampu.
Bukva,
Bukvi.
bukvi.
Bukva.
Mhm.
Bukvi.
Ryba, ryby.
Riba. Riby.
Strana,
Strana.
strany.
Strani.
If it has ka, ga, sha, l, sha, cha, ha at the end, we use letter E. Okay? For example, подруга, подруги.
Подруги.
Подруга, подруги.
Подруга. Подруги.
Открытка, открытки.
Открытка. Открытки.
Окей. Марка, марки.
Марка. Марки.
Окей. Practice test. Fix the plural nouns. Это Анна и Ира. Это
Подруги.
окей.
Подруги. Ги बोला.
Угу.
Подруги.
Угу. Тут
Рыбы.
Угу. Это открыт
Ки. Ки. Открытки.
и. Окей. Окей, then okay, neutral gender the noun is a plural. If it ends with O, use letter R to create a plural. Okno,
Окно.
okna.
Окна.
So if here the stress stays the same, okna, or okno, okna, or it actually moves. Okno, okna,
Окно. Окна.
okna. Облако, облака,
Облака.
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 Let's do the test. Fix the plural nouns. Это
Окна. Окна. Окна.
окна. Окна. Repeat after me. Это окна.
Это окна.
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 Yep. Stress on the first letter.
О.
Окна.
Окна.
And the next. Тут обла.
Облака.
Тут облака. Yep.
Облака.
Great. Good job. And now I want you to look at the algorithm that we made for you. So it has a little bit more information that we're going to study today, but I think it's going to be useful for the next lessons and the other material that we're going to study. So let's start from the top. How do I make a noun plural? First, we determine what gender is this noun. If it's masculine, we'll what it ends with. If it ends with consonant, we go to E. And the other cases, we go E. If it's feminine, that ends with A or Ya or consonants, we. I will ask Anton to send send this algorithm to you so you can write it down and copy later.
Okay.
But you should still remember that it's the way that we turn our nouns plural. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, I think it's going to be useful. Let's go through the actual exercises. Exercise, create plural nouns. Um, polka,
Polki.
polki, bank,
Baki.
Party.
park,
Parki.
okay,
Groupie.
gruppa,
Grupi.
strana,
Strani.
again,
Strani.
no, strani, strani,
Strani.
strani,
Strani.
город,
Goroda.
okay, great, болото,
Bolota.
дорога,
Darogi.
окей, комната,
Koganati.
карта,
Karti.
окей, great, база,
Bazi.
right, друг,
Gruzia.
друзья, автобус,
Autobusa.
no,
Autobusi.
автобусы, look at the end, just consonant, please tell me, автобус, what gender is it? Masculine, right? Autobus translates to bus.
Okay.
It's a masculine noun. Masculine noun that ends with a consonant, right? So let's use our algorithm. We choose the octopus, right? Let's speak a little bit, right? Continue to sentence.
Это стол.
А это?
Это столы.
Окей, great. Это рыба. А это?
Это рыбы.
Рыбы. Yep. Сюда. Это автобус. А это?
Это автобусы.
Окей. Это облако. А это?
Это облака. Облака.
Good job. I think you're doing a great job. So far, молодцы. Молодцы. Please repeat after me. Repeat after me. Молодец.
Молодец. Good job.
Я молодец.
Молодец.
Я молодец.
Я молодец.
Yep. And ты молодец.
Ты молодец.
Мы молодцы.
Мы молодец.
Молодцы.
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 Мы. Я молодец. Мы молодцы. So you can see молодец, plural form, молодцы. Repeat after me. Молодцы.
Молодцы.
Yeah, we молодцы. We're doing a good job, right? So now I want to ask you, do you like to read? Вы любите читать? Do you like to read?
Я люблю читать. Мы любим читать.
Yeah, great. Значит, я люблю читать. Ты любишь читать. So, давайте почитаем. Давайте читать.
Говорите читать. Speak and read.
Давайте читать. Let's read.
Let's read.
Let's read out loud. Who first? Who wants to go first? Mm-hmm. Okay.
Это
Let's
класс.
start.
Это
класс.
Это класс. Тут столы. Вот доска. Там полки.
Вот доска.
Вот доска.
Okay, good.
Там полки. А там окна.
No, а там окна.
А там окна.
Yep. Okay, that's great. Next text.
Кто это? Она и Алла. Она и Алла подруги.
Okay, good. The next.
Это город Москва.
Это город Москва.
Это город Москва.
Угу. Вот дороги и автобусы.
Вот дороги и автобусы.
Угу. Там рынок, тут дома и парки, а это вокзал.
Там рынок, тут дома и парки, а это вокзал.
Угу. Okay. Do you need a translation of this text?
Да.
Yep. So let's translate it together. Это город Москва.
This is Moscow city.
Is the city of Moscow. Yep. This is the city of Moscow. So, do you know that Moscow is the capital of Russia?
Yeah.
So, по-русски, in Russian, we say Москва. Repeat after me. Москва.
Москва.
Москва. Yep.
Москва.
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 Next. Вот дороги и автобусы. Here are roads and buses. Дороги, дорога. So, дороги translates to roads.
Okay.
Let's make it a singular form. Дороги is a plural form. Let's change it back to singular. One road. How do you say it?
Дорога.
Дорога. Yep. Там рынок. There is a market. Mhm. Тут дома и парки. Тут here are houses and parks. Let's make it a singular. Here are one house and one park. Yep.
One dom, two dom, e par.
Тут дом.
E par.
Ага. А это
Это
вокзал. And what is this? This is a train station.
okay.
Вокзал.
Vokzal.
Train station. What gender is вокзал?
Okay. Male. Masculine.
Masculine, yeah. Please turn it into a plural word.
Vokzali. Vokzali.
Vokzali. Vokzali. It ends with
E. Vokzali.
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 Let's write it down. Vokzali.
Vokzali.
Mhm. So this is how it looks in cursive. Russian handwriting, right?
Yes.
Next text. Let's continue. Who can read it?
Это комната. Вот стол. Тут ваза. Там открытка и марка. Вот полка и лампа.
So I want you to tell me what gender the word комната is.
Feminine.
Feminine? Yeah. Make it plural.
Комнати.
Комнаты. How do you translate комната to English?
Room.
Yeah. Stall.
Столы. Table.
Столы. Ваза.
Вазы.
Открытка.
Открытки. Key. Открытки.
Марка.
Марки.
Полка.
Полки.
Лампа.
Лампы.
Yep. So I think we're doing a great job so far. I think we should use our knowledge and say something without a prompt. So could someone start? So the task is I want you to look around and find something in the plural. For example, pens, ручка. I have a pen. Yep, ручка. Множественное plural, ручки.
Ручки.
I want everyone say one sentence. For example, это ручка.
Это ручка.
Plural, это ручки.
Это ручка. Это ручки.
This is это бумага.
Это бумага.
Это бумаги.
Это бумаги.
Yeah, so who wants to start? Okay, go on.
Это тетрад. Это тетради.
Yeah, great. Next person.
Это телефон, это телефоник.
Yeah.
Better कर दो सोमका
Это сумка, это сумки.
это стул
Стулья.
стулья
Стулья.
Plug.
Стулья. Great.
Eta flag. Eta flaggy.
Okay, the last word. Please go on. Please start with you. It's a flag.
Eta flaggy.
It's a flag. Yeah, great. Who else? It's a okna.
Eta
So,
okna.
it's a okna. Yeah?
Da.
Everyone answers or anybody else wants to? You can repeat the words. Again,
Okay.
we just want you to practice speaking freely, and I think everyone needs to practice saying sentences.
Eta
Это
karandash.
карандаш.
Eta karandashi.
Это карандаши. Mhm. Do you know how to say teacher in Russian?
Учитель. Учитель.
Can you say this is teachers?
Это учители.
No.
Это учителя.
This is a special case. Учитель, masculine word, right? Учитель, учителя. Это учителя. It ends with я. Let's repeat. Это учитель,
Это учитель.
а это учителя.
А это учителя.
Okay. Do you know how to say students?
Ученица.
Ученица is a feminine, and the masculine ученик. Ученик и ученица.
Ученик и ученица.
So ученик и ученица, and together they are ученики.
Ученики.
Yep, plural form. Okay, are you tired of speaking?
Нет.
No?
Нет.
Yes. How do you feel so far about studying Ural? Do you have questions?
Нет.
No questions. Нет вопросов.
Нет.
Хорошо. I have a question for you. Да, у меня есть вопрос. I have a question. У меня есть вопрос. Хорошо?
Yes.
Please remember this. When you have a question, you say у меня есть вопрос. Repeat after me.
У меня есть вопрос.
And when you have a lot of questions, you can say у меня есть вопросы.
У меня есть вопросы.
Вопрос singular form, вопросы plural form. Yeah?
Yes. Да.
Yes. So I want to ask you a question. If I want to turn a masculine noun plural, what letters can I use?
We are gonna use for consonants. We are gonna use V sound. E is
Not a sound,
or
a letter.
letter. Yes.
Bupa. Yeah.
We use E.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, that's great. And if I want to use U, in which case we'll use U?
If the feminine words end with A. Ask.
Mm-hmm. And if it's a neutral word, noun,
Then it will end with A.
Ah.
ah,
If it's end with
yeah.
Or and
O,
E
use
to ya.
Mm-hmm. Okay, So we remember everything. Okay. Uh, did you write down the algorithm? This one.
Yes.
So if you want to see the original, I will ask Anton to send it to you later. Okay.
Okay.
And we're going to we're going to memorize it later, and also I think we're going to do a revision of this topic during the Friday lesson. And on Friday we will actually give you a homework and a test to see how well are you doing so far. And you're going to solve this test at home as a homework, okay?
Okay.
Uh, I want to thank you for this lesson.
Спасибо.
До свидания.
До свидания.
До свидания. Пока.
Пока.
Bye.
Bye.
Пока.
Пока.
Right.